Good morning, guys. This is Trading Channel in which we are going to analyze Nifty Bank Nifty as well as USDINR. Today we'll do 5 minutes quick analysis on tomorrow's market conditions and how we are going to take a trade on that. So let's start. First, we'll take a look on Nifty. So Nifty Bank Nifty as well as Fin Nifty has kind of given a fall more than half a percent, and which we were kind of expecting if FI changed their position from the bullish, because the bullish momentum wasn't seen there and the negative news came in the morning itself or in the night itself that there is some rift going on between the opposition party as well as the current party on passing the bill. So usually this goes on, and that resulted in a kind of a negative news in the morning itself, and the market started to fall out. And in the afternoon, the MSCI has given a positive news, and in the evening also the positive news came about the GDP growth of India. So the MSCI told that we are going to increase the Kotak Mahindra percentage as well as some other banks percentage. So when they have decided to decrease the HDFC Bank percentage when they were going to merge, so which resulted in a huge fall around more than 6% fall on both HDFC banks and HDFC. So this could be acting as a positive news on the market, and we can get some points on Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty if the debt ceiling issue doesn't concern much. So the supports to look at is 18,500, from where the market has taken a bounce. And if tomorrow somehow 18,500 gets broken, then you could consider that the debt ceiling issue has gone more serious, and we could try to test the weekly trend line. And if we break the weekly trend line, we don't know where we are going to stop. But I feel if the debt ceiling issue concerned, still we are going to hold on the weekly trend line. But 18,500 is a very important zone or area for traders. And tomorrow, if we tomorrow if debt ceiling issue doesn't concern much, then we could go to the highs, which could be around 18,600 to 18,680 to 18,700. So this could be the zone where markets could go if the debt ceiling issue doesn't concern much. So these are the levels you need to keep on mind. Now we'll move forward to Bank Nifty. So if you go in an early time frame on Bank Nifty, the things get more clear. So this is the trend line which we have drawn on the early time frame, and we are still sustaining this trend line, and we took a bounce from there, and it was a very positive bounce, and we have sustained or managed to somehow end above the zone, which is around 44,100. So this is a positive scenario on Bank Nifty, but still uh, we need to watch out the support. So the support is this trend line, and if we take this trend line, then we could go sharp fall on the downside due to the debt ceiling issue. But until unless the debt ceiling issue doesn't concern, then we could touch again to the 44,400 to 44,500 zone. So these are the levels to watch on Bank Nifty. Fin Nifty, again the market has taken on the downside, and if tomorrow again it goes above 19,600, so this could be a positive scenario for Fin Nifty. So this is the analysis for, I guess I'm not changing the date, man. So this is the market analysis for June 1st. and tomorrow is Thursday. So Nifty has filled the gap and took the support on 17,500. Watch out the support because this could be a make or break zone for our market as well as for global markets. And now we'll take a look at Dow Jones, USDINR, FY data. So Dow Jones does tell us what going to happen next. So in Dow Jones future, so we are still holding on 200 EMA and we are in a parallel channel which we talked about. And until the time we hold 200 DMA, we are in a safe zone and market should quickly take down the parallel channel on the upside. So this could be a very relief, and so the global markets will kind of rally then, because this could be a sign that the debt ceiling issue has been sorted out. But I feel the market will be in a range till 5th of June because that is the last date. So that's for Dow Jones. Now we'll quickly take a look on USDINR and FI data. So USDINR is trying to go up, but I feel the debt ceiling issue is kind of a negative on the US dollar. So we could see soon negative momentum on USDINR. So I'm waiting for that negative momentum because whenever the market is trying to go up and try to touch the top of the channel, then we are seeing a quickly sell on USDINR. Now we'll quickly move to the FI data. So FI data has kind of become a bearish. The yesterday it was more kind of on the bullish side, but today it has gone to on the put side. So there are more number of puts than number of calls, but it's not a huge gap between them, but still negative side. And if we take a look at the number of calls and number of puts they are bought, so the number of puts is much more. So it is a mega bearish side, I will say, and they have holded it. So it's a kind of a negative scenario. But tomorrow, if market gives a rally, then we could see a huge short covering, and we could be very much on the bullish side. But still, these numbers concern me. I don't know why they have taken a huge positions on bearish side. But if you look at the cash market, they are very much bullish. They know that this is a short term scenario, and we are still bullish on the positives on stocks. If we take a look on the change of OI, then it is pretty much on the bad side, but still, if short covering comes, it may be huge because of the news have come in the market. So now we'll take a look, give the verdict and trades. So watch Dow Jones tonight, and Dow Jones can show what's going to happen next. If USD shows reversal from the top, we can go short again. And FI data has changed to bearish for the intraday basis, but we are still on the long side for a long term. And the verdict is some negative news has came and some positive news, but the market, I feel, is still on the bull side because we have not taken down the major supports of the market, and we are sustained and took a recovery from there. So the trades would be stay cautious and make the use of the dip to re-enter on the bullish trade. But remember, the quantity should be less because tomorrow is an expiry and we could see huge momentum. or huge volatility, you can say. So you could hit your stop loss many more times. So stay cautious. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you later. Bye bye.